Here is how to program your Turnigy 9XR and set the channels up. So first we turn on. Ignore the warnings. So what we'll do is create a new profile. So we go on Model Select menu. In my case I seem to have quite a few, so we'll create a new one. So select and ignore the warnings. Then to set the channels we go into Model Setup, press OK, and then we want Model Setup Mixer. So just to set the basic stick channels, all you need to do is press OK, and it will automatically set them for you in the mode that the transmitter is in. So rudder, which is this one here, and then we go elevation, which should be this one here. Scroll down one. Throttle, which is this one here, and finally will be your ailerons, which is this one here. Right, so next step, if you want to change what stick a channel is on, you go into it, press OK, click edit, and then on source you just press left and right, so you can change it to elevation, throttle, ailerons. P1 is the pots, so if you want to turn it onto the proportional pot, P1, 2 or 3. We'll get onto half and full in a minute, and I don't use anything apart from those, so you want to go back, just press exit. So to set up your switches, click OK. You want to select now for the switches using either half or full. Now let me explain the difference. Half with a switch is the equivalent of going from center to the top, and if you want to use full, that is the full range, which is from full bottom to full top and not centered. Hopefully that makes sense. So let's go. Apologies. So for your Clark board, I think we just need half. So select the source as half. Weight is like your endpoint adjustment. So if you only wanted to say use half the switch range, you'd set it to 50. If you want to reverse the direction, you set it to minus. So let's just do that just to show you. So you go left and right, scroll through, it will stop at 0, keep going, and then you'll eventually get to minus 100. So that is 100% in the opposite direction. Right, so next step is to set which switch you want to use. So you click onto the switch, press OK, and then you select the switch you want to use. So in this case, I've used the Air-along dual rate switch, and flicking the switch down is equivalent to going to 100% in one direction on the stick. Now if you want to reverse that, all you have to do is, whilst it's still flashing, select up and you will get an exclamation mark. So that's using the switch in reverse basically. So there we go, and then just click back, and there you go, you have your switch selected. And you can do the same for every one of the switches on your Turnigy. Now for the 3-position switch, it gets a bit more complicated as it functions as 2 separate switches. So all you do is select source, so you want it as half. Then you want to select the switch as, so you need 1 as ID up, and then you go back, and then you can assign more than one function to one channel, so you can have multiple switches on one channel. So in this case we go insert to add another switch, and do the same thing. So we will use half, and then in this case we'll use minus 100. And the switch will be using ID down, and go back, and there you go. That is set up as a 3-position switch. So that should be everything you need to use your Turnigy radio with your S-Bus Clark board. Thanks very much. Any questions, let Stian know and I will try and answer them for you. Thank you. Bye.